Hello dear viewers and welcome to a brand new episode of OVS Cosplay. Today we're going to start a new project. We're going to turn this action figure into a real suit. One of the shows I grew up with in the 90s was Spider-Man the Animated Series. As a child, I fell in love with the show and the characters. And within them, at the last saga, they introduced us with this guy.
Is the one that's supposed to be our leader? Give me a break. I should be in charge of this group. I'm the real Spider-Man.
He was super confident, had this cool armor suit, and he was able to shoot lasers out of his hand.
Laser built right into your armor? It's my own design. I only wish I was able to bring my giant spider robot on this mission with us.
And yeah, I know this suit first appeared in the comic book Web of Spider-Man issue 100 1 year earlier. But still, this suit and design have a special place in my heart. So just imagine my reaction when Sony and Insomniac revealed this suit design in the Marvel Spider-Man PlayStation game. So after all these years, I got inspired to build this suit myself. So let's start planning. The first thing we want to do is to choose a design. And in our case, it's pretty easy. The design from the game is pretty amazing, so it's a good baseline, and from there we can take it and change it a little bit just to make it more my own. The first step is just to take some screenshots of the character and then put it in the drawing table, and then start marking out the things that we first noticed. So first of all, we can see that there are two major parts, the armor part and the fabric part. All the armor pieces can be 3D printed because it's a pretty solid and very high quality way to do this. And regarding to the fabric, we can see that there are two colors of fabric. One is gray and one is black. And we want to pick an elastic fabric for the job because it's going to be a bodysuit and it needs to be tight. If we will pay attention to the small details, we can see that the emblem have a carbon fiber texture to it. So we need to address this thing. And we also have the lenses, which are in a custom size and we can't really buy them. So I will have to make some of my own. The belt is going to be a little bit tricky because it needs to be stretched and need to fit very well to the shape of the body. So I'll have to adjust it a little bit and find some way to make it stretchable. At the back side, I will have to make an under mask out of fabric because the armor mask is not covered the whole face. And if you really pay attention to details, you will see that all the armor pieces have to be attached without seeing the attachments and without strapping or anything else. So you can really see it in the back emblem. It just sticks out there. And another challenge of this project is to get this chromatic black color to the armor pieces. This is a pretty hard color to get, and I will have to find a process to just get it right. And also, if we zoom in on the fabric, we will notice that we have this cubic shape and texture to it, so I will also need to address this thing. Let's start building the armor pieces first, but in order to do that, we need a 3D model for each and every part of the suit. Luckily, Dio3D modeled the exact design that I need and saved me tons of work doing so. So I just entered the website and purchased the models. Now, after I have all the armor models, I can start the real work, which is, at first step, resize each and every one of them to fit my body. Okay, now all the models are in the right shape and size, so we can start the slicing process, which means we're gonna prepare them for 3D printing. That's it! Now we have the base to make this armor. In the next video, we're going to take this project one step forward. We're going to handle every small defect. We will sand and smooth each and every part so it will be ready for painting. If you reached this point in the video, give it a thumbs up. Tell me in the comment section what you like and what other content you want me to create. If you subscribe to the channel, it will really help the channel grow and will motivate me to do more of these videos. Until then, I hope you keep yourself safe, be happy, keep smiling, and don't give up on what you like. And I'll see you in the next video.